We got some Ariana Grande vibes with the pony today. Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicol Concilio and welcome to the video, y'all. Before we get into today's video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support already for my merch. I cannot wait to see you guys rocking them. I have on the self-love today because we all need to remind ourselves a little self-love goes a very long way. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Without you guys, I'm literally nothing, so thank you in advance. Today, we are going to be taking a look at and using the Raw Beauty Kristi X Colourpop collaboration. I am just so excited for Kristi. This truly was her year. Honestly, like a pregnancy, 2 collabs, like she is rocking it, honey. She hit 1 million subscribers. I couldn't be more thrilled for Kristi because she is honestly someone who is so genuine and so deserving of all of her accomplishments. And I personally feel like she shed such a bright light on the beauty community. It's exactly what we need in this community. Congrats to you, Kristi. This is effing awesome. First, we have her beautiful palette, which is called At Forest Sight Raw Beauty Kristi X Colourpop. I love all of the little mushrooms and the forest vibes. This is very her. This is very her, like Washingtonian. Is that how, what would you call it? Washingtonian? Washingtonian. Riley's in here. He's also a Washingtonian, so he knows. Not so hard on the ing, he's saying. Washingtonian. I feel like this is perfect for her and her vibes. If you follow along with Kristi, you know like her new house like is very foresty and stuff like that. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. It is so gorgeous. This is such a beautiful warm tone palette. I love that there's also a pop of silver in there. You have some blues and greens. I love all the names. I love Rainier. I love PNW. Emerald City, is that Seattle? West Coast, Chanterelle. Where's that?
Chanterelle. You're looking at them. You're touching them.
Mushrooms, homegrown. We got some homegrown, if you know what I'm saying. We also have 2 Luxe glosses. I am a huge fan of the Luxe glosses from Colourpop. We have 3 gel liners and we got 4 Super Shock shadows. Let's get into it. I'm gonna zoom you guys on in and we'll start with our eyes. So priming my eyes, I'm gonna be going in with the Kimchi the Most concealer. Just going like this. Oops, I added a little bit too much. Taking my beauty blender and just kind of pushing it into the skin. We're first gonna be going in with the shade Chanterelle. I'm gonna be using that as a transition shade. Honestly, I couldn't think of a better person than Kristi to collab with Colourpop, you know, like she loves them. You know, I was watching her reveal video and I was almost getting a little bit emotional because she's been like manifesting a collab with them for so long, and it's just, I get so excited because like I feel like every beauty creator, content creator out there that gets a collab or gets an opportunity, it's a huge win for all of us. I do wish that more people thought that way, you know, in our space, but I'm just genuinely so excited for Kristi, and I'm working this all the way up to the brow bone as well. There's just something about warm tones when it's on my eyelids. Like I just feel like angels sing from above, like, you know, like that's really how I feel about warm tones. The next shade I'm gonna go in with is Rainier, and we're gonna pop that a little bit lower in the crease. I'm gonna switch to a smaller brush, and I'm just gonna go a little bit lower in the crease. I think I wanna do a bronzy look. I was gonna do green, but I recently just did a green eyeshadow tutorial on my stories. If you guys aren't following me on my Instagram, make sure you follow me there. I love to do every now and then some walkthrough tutorials on my stories. I really love the way this color looks, so I want to play around with Amanita and put it in the crease as well. It's kind of like a little maroony color. I feel like it'll look really pretty in the crease, and we're going to be using this same little tiny ass brush. You guys, do you like the new Christmas background? I cannot believe this is, okay, it's November 11th. I usually put up my Christmas decorations and the Christmas tree up November 1st. I cannot believe I have not put up the tree yet. I'm a little bit disappointed in myself. I'm not gonna lie. eye. And I'm just working this deep in the crease, and then we're gonna use an additional brush with no product on it, and we're gonna further blend it together with those two transition shades. And I'm not even dusting off my brush, I'm kind of just packing in this purple shade, and I'll show you my little trick that I love to do when working with kind of like dark colors like this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take that brush. We first put our transition shade on with that yellow chanterelle shade. This video, just somebody make a montage, please, of me mispronouncing everything on my channel, because I promise every video I definitely mispronounce something. So I'm just gonna take this brush, and you see how I kind of like harshly put it in the crease? If you take the brush and kind of like fan out the edges, it will make it blend so much more seamlessly together. That is kind of like my trick when getting a very airbrushed, blown out look when it comes to eyeshadow. And if you wanted, like if you feel like, okay, you know, you see how here there's still some orange, maybe I lost a little bit of that orangey, you can go back in with that initial chanterelle shade and kind of add it right on top of the purple, and that will even diffuse it further. Okay, I'm really loving the way that this is looking, and I'm actually gonna move on over to using a Super Shock shadow. A lot of the times when I do reviews of collections, I absolutely forget to use the Super Shock shadows and things like that, so I'm actually gonna use this. This is the bronze one. It is called Campfire. It's very, very pretty, and so that way you guys can see the rest of the palette, I'm gonna insert some swatches right now. Looks so pretty. It literally, I just spit everywhere. It looks like a sunset. Wow, this is so pretty. This is even prettier than what it looks like on camera, you guys. Like in person, there are so many little fine specks of like, almost like little glitter or pearls. Like it is stunning. It is stunning. All right, so we're gonna pop on some liner. I'm gonna go in with House Labs Felt Tip Eyeliner in Punk, and we're gonna do our little wingy ding. I always like to draw the first initial line and then I'll drag on in. Just like so, and I'll fill that in. And then I'm just gonna save some time and do the other eye off camera, but the wing really pulls it together. For lashes, we're gonna be going in with Miami Flare, and I do have a discount affiliate code. It's NICOL at the checkout. You guys, I had my first peppermint mocha of the season. I ordered a grande and they gave me a venti, and I was like, oh, okay, my lucky day. But now I think I'm paying for it because my stomach is freaking killing me. And I keep burping up peppermint. It's not cute what's going on right now. On Instagram, I asked you guys what was your favorite Starbucks drink of the season. Mine is definitely the peppermint mocha, even though it definitely, I need to be close to a bathroom after I have one. What's your guys' favorite holiday drink? Sound off down below. Like what, I actually, because you guys know, like I'm not a huge coffee drinker at all. I can't do it. My heart palpitates like crazy, but I kind of tolerate through it for the holidays. And I actually was thinking of filming a video trying out all of the different holiday drinks and seeing like which ones I like, especially like as a non-coffee drinker with Riley. And maybe I would upload that on the vlog channel, but let me know if that's something you guys are interested in. Also, I'm almost 90% sure that I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas on the vlog channel as well, so I'm excited about that. And the way I like to apply my lashes is like I'll firmly press in the center first, then I'll secure the outer corner, and lastly secure the inner corner. Okay guys, so we have our lashes on. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is do my foundation off camera, and we'll be back for liner and lips. And in the meantime, I'm gonna do some swatches of the Super Shock shadows for you guys, and also the gel cream liners. All right, you guys, I actually feel like I need more blush. It's so funny because I will put on what I think is enough and then I'll turn my camera back on or my lights back on and I'm like, oh crap, I'm washed out. All right, so let's do the lower lash, you guys. I'm actually gonna go on in with the brown liner. This one is called Woodsy, and I'm going to add it in my waterline. Waterlines freak me out so much. Oh my God, they make me wanna gag. Eyes freak me out so much. Like when I used to be a makeup artist, I guess I still am a makeup artist, but when I would do makeup on other people for like prom, weddings, whatever it was, special occasions, when I would have to do like waterline or get close to their eyes, I used to hold my breath and I would like get so nauseous. I would have to like think of like things that wouldn't make me nauseous, like ice cream. Like I would have to be like, oh, my dogs are so cute. Like I would have to think of the craziest shit. So let's kind of use that same pattern. I'm gonna go on in with, oh God, Chanterelle. Oh my God, why can't I remember how to say things? I have a problem. My memory is shot. I feel like it's just getting worse and worse. And then let's go in with a little bit purple. We're gonna go in with Amanita. And I'm just gonna keep this close to the waterline. Let's blend out the lower lash, just taking an additional brush with no product on it, kind of smudging it. And then I'm also gonna take an angled brush and we're gonna dunk into our bronzy shade that we have on the lid, which is called Campfire. I'm gonna use this just to add some of that bronziness here. Moving on to lips. I think I'm going to use this Kylie lip liner, the Can't Be Tamed lip liner. I'm gonna fill in my lips with this. And I wanna use this pink gloss, which is called Wildflower. Oh my God, it smells so good. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a zoom out and let you know some of my final thoughts on this collection. Okay, you guys, I absolutely loved this collection. I think Kristi knocked it out of the park. It is so beautiful. The colors blend so beautifully together. I love the way that this look came out. I also love that Kristi added into her collection some Super Shock shadows and those gel liners. I also like that there's no glitter in it because sometimes I feel like Colourpop does a lot of collaborations where there's like glitter, that gel glitter thing included, and I never really personally find a use for that. And I'm someone who wears makeup almost every single day, so if I'm struggling to find a use for that kind of glittery thing, I'm sure a lot of other people do as well. Overall, I think everything in this collection was done so beautifully. You could tell there was so much thought put into this, and I love this eyeshadow palette. The entire bundle of everything in the collection will be $82. The palette will be $20. The Super Shock shadows are $7 each. The cream gel liners are $7 each. The Luxe glosses are $9 each. I'm really excited and proud of Kristi for this collection. It seriously is so beautiful. It's right up my alley with the warm tones. I think if you purchase this collection, you're going to be very happy. I mean, the way that these shadows blend together, I cannot stop looking at my eyeshadow in the monitor, and I will definitely continue to use this palette. This might be my go-to palette for the holidays even, because there's so much you could do in here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel as well. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!